Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy bags, where we take our Ipsy bags and pit them against each other and see who has the better bag. And yeah, these are the Ipsy Glam bags for the month of May 2022, and these are what they look like.
Pretty fast.
Very pretty, and just the normal Ipsy zipper pull, and they are kind of pinkish purple on the back, and
Yeah. Apparently the theme this month is Wild Beauty.
Okay, and good. They have the items listed in the card here, so we can talk about them. So what we do is we take each item and put them up against each other, and usually like a makeup item beats a skincare product, and a skincare beats a, how do we do this again?
I think nails beat skincare and makeup beats nails. Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like, I have a bath product in here.
Me too.
Do you do?
Mm-hmm.
Do you do?
I think.
Okay, we're just gonna have to figure this out as it goes along, and then you, the viewer, can tell us who you think won the Ipsy versus Ipsy challenge. So,
May 2022, Wild Beauty. This month, delight in all the things that make you feel alive. A fresh mani, botanical skincare, going barefoot in the grass, and let your imagination run wild. And these are, and it's talking about Ipster fave brands.
oh, yours doesn't
That
tell.
began with mom.
His is different. His doesn't tell the items that he got. Okay.
Ipsy likes to keep you on your toes. You know, you never know what they're going to put in here.
Okay, take your items out of your bag. Okay, first we're going to take the items that, do you remember what you picked for this month?
I do not. Might have been this one. Oh no, it was this. That's right. This was that was my picture.
I was just using that.
Huh.
Okay, so for this month, I picked the Way Body Cleanser and the Melrose Place scent. Let's see, the MSRP of the full-size version of this product is $28. Of course, it's sealed. Okay, that smells like the the hair stuff. Do you want to smell it? So, what did you pick for your?
My pick was the Tenias eye pencil. It's green.
Okay. So, I guess you win because you got makeup.
Yes.
So, okay. So you get that point.
All right, what's the next thing?
What is that?
It's an eyeshadow.
Because I have that eyeshadow palette. Okay, let's go on to the next thing.
Okay.
I have a how do you say that?
Rebel. Oh, Rebelde? I don't know.
Coquetta bronzer.
Apparently.
And it looks like this on the outside. And like this on the inside. And what do you have?
This is from Ditto?
I call it Dido.
Dito. Venus Palette Limited Edition. It's a single. And this one says Ganymede, which is the moon of
Let me see.
something.
I have that full palette.
Saturn, maybe? Or
I was
Jupiter.
just using it in a palette roulette.
It's kind of a dark purple, looks like, perhaps.
Do you want to swatch it, or are you gonna keep it?
I'm gonna keep it.
Okay. I think you get that point too,
Noise.
because you got an eyeshadow shade.
All right. So what's next?
Okay. I actually got a lipstick
Ah.
from Gerard Cosmetics in the shade, it's a liquid lipstick in Bare It All.
Ooh. Feisty.
Oh, that's a pretty color.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you got?
And I got Awake by Tarte Peach Lip Therapy Lip Mask. And it's got a little mask on the front that has eyes shut on it.
Oh.
Because it's tired.
Do you want to switch?
Sure.
I like lip masks better.
Okay.
But I think I get the point because I
It
got...
was yours originally.
What?
This was yours originally, so you get the point.
I get the point.
Yeah.
But I like eye masks better than liquid lipsticks.
Cool. Nice.
Okay. Next up, I like this a lot. I got the Creme Shop Fusion Sheet Mask Duo. One is vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and one is turmeric and matcha. I can use these in Mask Mondays, so I really like this quite a bit. What do you have?
Did you get an add-on or something? Seems like you have one more thing than I do.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6. Or no, wait, that's right. That's right.
That's yours now.
Let's see. Okay, I've got 5 too. Okay.
Because you have that.
Mind. I got Kenzie Rosy Bloom.
You got perfume?
I'm gonna bloom.
Are you gonna actually use that?
I don't know. What does it smell like?
It smells like candy to me.
Yeah, a little bit. Doesn't really smell like roses. Kind of interesting. What?
Let me see. I've lots of perfume on today. It smells like strawberry candy.
Yeah, it smells like strawberry. Huh.
It smells like strawberry hard candies.
Yeah, that is what it smells like. I like this. I have now bloomed.
Okay. All right. You can have that point too.
Because I bloomed.
So what's it? 3 to 1.
3 to 2.
I only got 1 point.
Oh, then I guess it's 4 to 1.
No, we haven't done the last product yet.
See, that's why I said you got one more thing than me.
No, you haven't shared that yet.
I thought we did.
No, you haven't shared that yet.
Oh, okay.
Okay. The last thing I got is the Naked Cosmetics Strawberry Lip Scrub, which this makes like the 4th lip scrub I have now.
Scrubby scrub.
I think I'll put this into a giveaway. I'm not going to open it. What do you have?
I have Basic Skin Shower Scrub. Because I'm basic.
So we both got
I'm
scrubs.
so basic.
So what wins? A body scrub or a lip scrub?
I
You
don't know.
tell us.
You tell us.
Okay. He's basically one. So
I'm a basic boy.
okay. So in my Ipsy bag I got the 2
Hyaluronic acid.
yeah.
Never get anything with hyaluronic acid in it.
I got the 2 face masks. I got the strawberry lip scrub. I got the Way body wash. I got the Gerard lip thingy, and I got a bronzer.
I got the Tarte lip scrub that you got.
No, it's a mask.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. It's a mask. Candy Rosy Bloom. Basic shower scrub. Green eye pencil. And little planet eyeshadow. Planet for your eyes.
I like my bag.
I like this bag too.
I like my bag better. But that's after switching the things. Let us know who you think has the better bag, because I think I like my bag better and he likes his bag better. So, okay, that is it for our Ipsy Showdown.
This is pretty short.
Well, you know how Katrina and Rachel do it?
How do they do it?
They rate their bags. Like, give it a point for everything you think you're going to use.
Okay.
So, and that's how they do it. So, I would give this a point. I would not give this a point. So, that. I would give this a point. I'm going to act like this is mine and give it a point. So that's 3 points. And this sugar scrub, I would not give it a point. So I give my bag 3 points.
I give my bag 5. I'm going to use all this stuff.
So you're going to use all. Okay. So okay.
Am I Katrina or Rachel? Which one am I?
You're Rachel. I'm Katrina.
Let's see if I could pull off this color. Did I not do very much? I guess it's just kind of a neutral on me. What do you think?
No, there should be some color coming out. Oh, there it is.
Okay.
You just can't see it on the camera much because of the light.
Gotcha. Well, you folks at home, you just have to imagine how awesome I look right now.
Okay. Leave us a comment below. Tell us if you got your Ipsy bag and what you got in it. Did you get some of the same stuff as we got? Did you get better stuff? Did you get worse stuff? Leave us a comment down below.
Did you bloom?
Okay, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and we hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you're not, we hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day out there. And if you're having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. We hope you're having a wonderful Memorial Day weekend out there. We will have a video up tomorrow. Just remember to be strong and be healthy and stay safe out there this weekend. And again, we will see you tomorrow, and just stay well until then, okay? All right, Aaron?
All right.
All right, goodbye.